In this video, you'll learn how to quickly filter your leads in Pipedrive so you can focus on the most important opportunities without wasting time searching through your entire list. First, open your Pipedrive workspace and look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Leads and click it. Next, move your eyes to the top right corner of the Leads inbox list. Click the Filter button there. Inside the filter panel, select the criteria you want to use. You can filter by common fields such as lead owner, label, source, status, and date added. Choose what's relevant to your workflow. If you're managing a team, filtering by owner helps you review each person's pipeline. If your account uses custom fields, those can also appear here, giving you even more control. You can combine multiple conditions to get a very specific list, like leads labeled high priority that were added in the last 30 days. As you adjust your selections, your list will automatically update, or you may see an apply button depending on your layout. If the results feel too narrow or too broad, tweak a condition or remove one until the list looks right. And if you need to go back to your full view, simply clear or reset the filter. That's all there is to it. You clicked Leads on the left sidebar, opened the filter from the top right of the list, and selected the criteria that surface exactly the prospects you want to see. With this quick routine, you'll spend less time searching and more time following up. Now you can easily filter and manage your leads more effectively. If this helped, be sure to subscribe for more quick Pipedrive tips to keep your workflow organized and efficient.